What's up guys? We are in Singapore. So we took an early morning flight out of Kuala Lumpur. Just landed here in Changi Airport and we are just gonna chill out here at the airport for a little bit because there's so many things to see and there's this new spot for photos. We're gonna go find it. It's called the Jewel. It's called the Jewel, right? No? I don't know, but it's some kind of waterfall inside the building, so it's pretty cool. We are heading to the city now and take the SkyTrain to the train station. Haha. We don't have cash. We forgot to bring cash. So we're gonna go find a money changer. Who goes to another country without bringing cash? Us. There you go. Us. Hey, got some cash changed already. We can go to the city now. Our hotel is just somewhere around the corner. We have to cross the bridge on foot and then we're gonna go check in first before we go head out to lunch.
Peace.
What do you want to eat?
Food.
What kind of food?
Merlion.
There's no such thing as merlion. Thank you. And we are ready to roll. First up, oh it's so noisy. First up, lunch. To where? We don't know. We're gonna go look for a place to eat at. Thank you, sir. Someone's hungry. No. How's the food? So we are gonna attempt to walk to Chinatown Station. That's where we're gonna take the train going to Marina Bay Sands. Want some ice cream? What is this?
Yes, sir.
I feel like there's so many cute cafes around here. So it seems we're gonna walk around Chinatown first. Where we are. Yo, you're in my shot. That's good. You wanna try?
Makikita mo dyan sa China.
Okay, we are now in Marina Bay Sands. What is wrong with my eye? And we are gonna go to the ArtScience Museum. But first photos for sure.
ISO, Indies. Yeah, live free, speak your piece. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies. And these girls going wild cause they flashing they is litty. Watch your steps cause these blocks be. We grew up on that bad boy in 96 with Diddy. Take a walk, come with me, let me show you what really go down. Fiends on the corner, every hood got a deli or crowns. Cops pull us over, it don't matter if you black or you brown. City never sleeps, this the place that where hip-hop was found. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. I look around as I'm viewing the city. Skyscrapers and bridges, bright lights, fast life, Manhattan living. Cross over downtown, welcome to the concrete. The Nets to Barclays, the Mets to Yankees. Ubers and yellow taxis. And while I'm fitted with some butters, we heard savvy when tight jeans was baggy. From JFK to LaGuardia, city that never sleeps, insomnia. Home of Junior Mafia, word. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. Brooklyn, BK all day, BK all day. We go hard, yeah, yeah.
That was nice. See that right there? That's Marina Bay. So it's like my 4th time in Singapore, but I've never been to the gardens by the bay. So that's where we're trying to go right now. We'll take photos. Boy, it's like LA.
For something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Give you what you need. You're misbehaving.
Okay, it's nighttime now, and we are gonna go back to Marina Bay. We're gonna go check out some stores, buy some souvenir for the boss, and then we'll find a place to eat at, which we are not really sure at this point where, but most likely we'll go back to Clark Quay and look for some place to eat at over there. This is so pretty. I mean, look at all the lights behind me. Okay, we got the goodies. Now we can go back.
Malapit na tayo. 35.
Ended up with bakute. Bakute. Day 2, y'all. Actually, final day. We're going back to Malaysia later today. Yeah. Somewhere near Little India, I think. Trying to find a cafe that was recommended to me by a friend, and the hashtag cafe, no, not that one. We're gonna go have brunch there before we explore Haji Lane. There's a place right there, but it seems like it's full. Have to wait. Really? Bon appetit. Brunch was good, What are you doing? Now we're gonna go walk to Haji Lane.
ISO. Indies. Yeah. Live free, speak your piece. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps in the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies. And these girls going wild cause they flashing they this litty. Watch your steps cause these blocks be. We grew up on that bad boy in 96 with Diddy. Take a walk, come with me, let me show you what really go down. Fiends on the corner, every hood got a deli or crowns. Cops pull us over, it don't matter if you black or you brown. City
Hey
never
guys,
sleeps.
so we are now back in KL and I'm already back home. I kind of stopped filming halfway in Singapore because I ran out of battery, and honestly there was nothing else much that I could show you guys because after we left Haji Lane, we just went around a little bit at Orchard, which is pretty much more like shopping malls. There's nothing much to see. We didn't go shopping or anything like that, and then we just spent the rest of the time in the airport, just roaming around the Jewel again. Just sat down for a bit, had tea, and just look around the shops, and that was it. And then we just waited for our flight back here. So here we are now. Yeah, it was a really nice short trip to Singapore, and I did have a lot of fun, even though it was really short and we just like took photos pretty much. But I'm hoping to be able to go back again, or at least like explore more of KL now that Pierre's here with me, and you know, we get to do more of the things that we used to do before, like take photos, try cafes and all that. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Indies. Yeah. Live free, speak your piece. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that